think it's pretty special, so why not get another one, especially when it's in this beautiful condition. No soft corners, really nice, just as the first time it came out, and it was 8 years ago. So pretty nice addition to the collection. If this video is the first one for you, please go back and watch other videos. I have a lot of really good stuff on the channel. So let's open this box right here. That's something pretty special as well. There's just one car inside. Let me take it out. Got this beast out, and this is beautiful 55 Chevy Bel Air Guesser. Bad Guesser. What? Really bad ones, but it's actually really nice. Not that bad at all, right? So we got this Guesser right here, and this is what? This is car number 2 for today after Ken Block. Also, we have this small package. Let's open it up. Boom! And the first one is yellow 599 GTB Fiorano from HW City. Beautiful car in my opinion, and actually I also have this one right here in front of me. The gray one. I have like 20 of these and maybe like 5 of these. Really nice and special cars. I love yellow cars. Do you guys love yellow cars? Please let me know in the comments if you do. So we got 2 Ferraris right here. And also we have this yellow Ferrari Spider in really nice condition. Wow, look at that. Look at this beast. 458 Spider in yellow. Oof. This is one of my favorites Ferraris would be in real life. But honestly, I love yellow cars, but if I get Ferrari, I would get something blue or black. I don't know, let me know in the comments if you had to choose a Ferrari, which color that would be. Alright guys, I'll read that and make my decision as well. Oh, I have another Ferrari right here. Let me open it up. It comes in a really nice case. That's not the first one I ordered from this person, and always nice and very nice cases and brand new condition. And this is the best Ferrari 458 Italia from Hot Wheels from all the years before. This is 2009 red one, just as this yellow one, same wheels but different color, and this is hard top, and this is Spider. There's also a red Spider but from other years. Actually, what year is this? This is 11 and this is 9. Wow, I would say this one's newer, but this is 3 years newer than this. What? Doesn't look like that, right? I know, this one looks like 2018. But no, that was 10 years ago. Let me put it back in the case. I want to keep it just as perfect as it is right now. Wow, I'm truly impressed with this red 458. But I have something else to show you, and it's not bad neither. And it also comes in protector, so let me take it out because we want to see it in real life, not in protector. We want to keep it in protector, but look at it in real life. So yeah, I love this super treasure hunt, and this is the first super treasure hunt for today's video. This is 71 El Camino HW showroom. Wow. So this is gold color with gold wheels. Love this thing. Looking really awesome. Wow. I used to have one of these. I lost it. I cannot find it. And that's another thing. I see right now that I have when I have more and more Hot Wheels, I just cannot find the one that I need sometimes. And I'm pretty sure it is somewhere, but I have no idea where it is. So at least now I have another one. So when I need it, I'll find it if I need it. So yeah, This is number 1 super treasure hunt for today, and I have one more. Let me show it to you. It also comes in protector, very nice, I love this. And this is a truly special one. Boom, look at this. This is blue Plymouth Superbird from HW Workshop from 2013, and this is factory sealed 2015 set. And if it was factory sealed, it pretty much means that it is in mint condition. There's no soft corners, there is no creases, there is no veins, there is nothing. The card is in pristine condition, bubble is perfect, and the overall is 100% brand new car from 2013. And I love this one. Whoa, look at this beast, this is awesome. How good looking is this car? There is also a green one, you know that, and I have a couple of those, and I think this is my second one from the blue ones, but the first one factory sealed, so the other one is not that perfect. Alright guys, so I guess that's it for today. That's all I wanted to show you in this video. Please subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and leave me a comment. If you want free cars, also leave me comments. We'll make giveaways. Alright, I'll see you I'll see you in the next video, guys. Thank you very much. Bye bye.